IKEA VIMLE Sofa Bed Review. Pros: modular design. The VIMLE's best feature is its modularity. You can customize the shape and size with various sections, chaise, loveseat, corner units, making it adaptable to your space. Comfort. With thick cushions and options for different fillings, many find the VIMLE comfortable for both sitting and sleeping. Storage. The chaise section offers hidden storage, perfect for blankets and pillows. Affordability. Compared to similar sofa beds, the VIMLE is a relatively budget-friendly option. Washable covers. Removable covers are easy to clean and maintain, or replace for a new look. Cons. Firmness. Some find the cushions overly firm. While this might soften with use, it's not ideal for those who prefer a plush feel. Assembly. Like many IKEA products, assembly can be time-consuming and requires some effort. Sleeper. Comfort. As a sofa bed, it's decent for occasional guests, but may not offer the same support as a dedicated bed for long-term sleeping. Limited fabric choices. The main fabric options can be somewhat basic compared to more premium sofa beds. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.